sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Masawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa Atoll. The people made them very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila gin at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Mahawa met them, they were very happy. All people were baptized and felt the church of Christ, and that's the beginning about Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met her on the shore and left Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come and plunge Mactan Island. They could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come and plunge, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. He stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. And doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry."
Problema iba tayo sa dagom. Inakway kan siya, may relax na lubong. Ibugaw manibaw, nangiyak pa'y ululang. Umiyak pa'y bugaw-bugaw, unus kapya kumalunsaw.
Okay. Napagod na sila kakasayaw. At tapos na. Kakanta si Kagawad Bobot. Tapos na. Hindi pa. Kagawad Bobot. Salain dagiti kakasinsin ng ano. Okay. Asan po si Kagawad Bobot? Ayan. Come forward. Marcha. On deck po, requested song. Apartment number 9.
Hello. Anyway po, kanina ko pa naririnig yung pangalan ko. Hindi naman ako marunong kumanta. Pwedeng paano na lang ako
Proxy?
Proxy. Tawag na lang po ako ng magpo-proxy sa akin. Si Joshua na lang po. Request ko na sasayaw lahat yung magpipinsan. Magpipinsan ng mga Jao family. Request po. Joshua!
Ayan, palakpakan na naman.
Pamindo aja ya, di ba?